This is a real-life experience as told by Adrian in Kansas City. This was absolutely the best service call from anybody I had ever had in my entire life. First, I had a dead car in the garage requiring a tow. Second, now it got fun, the garage door broke. I know Overhead Door has been in business for a long time, so I called these great folks. My appointment was scheduled based on what I needed. It was already a good start. My service technician arrived 2 hours before the tow truck did. He was fantastic. His repair was an actual fix, and I regret not getting both doors done. The Overhead Door technician vastly exceeded my expectations. Thanks so much to the company employees I dealt with, especially my repair technician. Just genius. Price? Here's the part I was nervous about. I've never had a professional job at my home, so I didn't know how much I had to spend. The cost was so low. The next time my door breaks, I'm calling Overhead Door Company of Kansas City. I am a customer for life. P.S. I waited on that tow truck for 6 hours. My garage door technician squeezed around the car to fix the door.